I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate. This is the Knit Crate website. All my links are down below. If you want to be a member, you can sign up under me and get 20% off your first month. If you put in Jewel 20, it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. Also, if you go to my website, Amy's Crochet Patterns, you can click right on patterns. It takes you to many different types of patterns. Let's go to scarves and click close. And you can hit any one of these patterns. Most of my patterns are free and it will take you right to the pattern. And like I said, most of them are free. A lot of them do come with videos. Then go to my Etsy store is down below. I have 63 products. A lot of them are, I think all of my products are digital. So there is the 4 crochet printables, vintage placemat pattern, calendars, Christmas tags, thank you tags, and calendars, my purse pattern, tags, vintage patterns. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. It is Manic Mama Musings. Congratulations. And I just need you to contact me with my email with your address and I will send this out as soon as possible. I just want to say thank you everybody for subscribing and participating in this giveaway. And like I said, go down below in the description and all of my links and my information's right down there. So thank you everybody for watching.